Yo, yo, yo. How's it going? It's MLK Day, January 19th, I think. It is cold out here. It usually doesn't get, it's been a really mild winter. I shouldn't say it usually doesn't get cold in Alabama because it does sometimes. But it rained all last week and now it's really cold. It's like 30 degrees. But I actually bought a propane heater from Lowe's on the way home today. So I'm gonna set that thing up, hopefully get some heat going in here and start tackling some of these projects. So let's see how that goes. I need to put this coilover back together, put that back on the 240. If I change anything on that side, I'm gonna have to change it on the driver's side too. And I need to run a new power cable that I got over to the starter. I need to run that, tidy up some of these wires in here. That's what I've been working on recently. Kind of want to do that. Kind of want to put the bike together. Not sure what I'm going to get into tonight, but we'll see. I'm kind of thinking start with the coilover, see how that goes, and then take it from there. I still haven't gotten confirmation that my Mercedes coilovers have shipped, so I'm going to follow up on that tomorrow. And I'd love to get that car driving again ASAP, but I know it's going to take a little while for them to get here. So I'm going to follow up on that, hopefully get that car back on the road. BMW's been running great. And besides that, just going to keep grinding on these projects. Probably going to be a lot of time-lapse stuff today. Sorry if that's boring, but it's cold and I need to be productive. So yeah. All right, I got the heater working. Didn't blow anybody up in the process or anything yet, knock on wood. Hopefully that puts out enough heat, keep me toasty here. And I guess I'm gonna get to work on putting this coilover back together. And maybe organizing those motorcycle parts at some point. Here we go. Alright guys, got the 240 back on the ground. This front fender is destroyed, but I'm hoping to pick up a new set either this week or in the next couple of weeks. Took it around the block, ran pretty well, didn't hear too much rubbing. A little bit on the driver's side because I haven't rolled it whatsoever, it's just like stock. But really want to put more miles on this thing this year and hopefully get it to a couple of shows. Just been in the garage for so long, the paint's trash. I really want to find somebody to spray it as well. But it's back together. It cranks, it runs. Still need to clean up a little bit of the wiring, patch the trunk, an actual coat of paint on it, maybe put some aero on it, but excited to be driving again. Kind of considering taking off a lot of these stickers and really cleaning it up, but we'll see. It's super cold out here, and I gotta work tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. And hopefully next time we'll be installing coilovers on the S500 and slamming that thing. So yeah, that's exciting. All right, everyone have a good week. All peace.